Motion detection is the most critical, but it sometimes triggers false alarms. Falling leaves, extreme weather conditions, or even pets trigger a motion detection alarm. It can become annoying, leading to inattention and missing important alerts. CP Plus Smart Motion Detection technology comes to the rescue and fixes this problem. SMD uses the artificial intelligence deep data learning algorithm. It eliminates the misfire motion detection. It identifies the motion of only humans and vehicles. It also tracks the target both indoors and outdoors. Once the target is identified as human or vehicle, it will send a real-time alert notification to the user. CP Plus SMD offers smart detection, ensuring you are always aware of any real threat to your home or business.